Everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a quick Splendies unboxing or unbagging to share with you. I signed up under Southern Mom. Splendies is a monthly underwear subscription service, so who can't use some new panties to spice up or freshen up their undergarment portion of the drawer? So I think it's affordable. I think I got a deal where I only pay about $7.50 for this thing. I will leave my referral link in the description box below. The incentives do change throughout the month, you know, the level of entry level discount, but you will get a discount. Monthly, it is, I'll leave all that in the description box below so I don't sit here and ramble on with numbers that I'm not 100% certain of. Look at the little cute little baggie, and it comes in a little baggy envelope type of thing, and then it's sealed with their little stamp here. I want to say if you're under an extra large or up to an extra large, it might be $14.99 a month. I like that the sticker peels off really nicely. It's not a baggie. It's actually tissue paper. And then here are the little panties. Aww. And they actually accommodate, you know, larger sizes. And I really do appreciate that because I was at one point as small as an 11. And as large as almost 22. So I know what it's like to be in a range where you're easily able to find what you're looking for, and to be in a size that things is overpriced because of the extra material and not being included in a lot of stores and things like that. So I can relate on both spectrums, and I really like that everyone is thought of with the subscription service. I'm going to go in and adjust depending on the quality. I wanted to feel them in my hand versus, you know, just watching someone else unbag them. And if I like, you know, how they hold up and everything, then I will adjust my subscription to a every 3 months billing. Alright, so I have a little card here from them. Let me come closer. And it says, tag 4 friends and share your Splendies each month on Instagram using hashtag Splendies for the chance to win a free year of Splendies. So I will do that. I follow a lot of the ladies over on YouTube who I admire and follow over here on Instagram that I follow here on YouTube. So here's the first pair. Aren't they darling? They're so cute. And I do pick up undies when I'm at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and it's a nice little brand. I really did used to like Lane Bryant's. Nothing wrong with the quality, but you know, $35, $40 just for 5 underwear. And then a lot of times, because I was in the 12, 14, they wasn't there. So trust me, I know what it's like. I love the lace detailing here at the top. I like how the white breaks up the light blush pink. I like the little rose embroidery type of thing going on. And then the little extra lace trim. Let me show you what the seat looks like. You do get a little layer of cotton here. I wear panty liners all the time. Probably TMI, but I mean, what are you going to do? Pass out because I shared that with you? I mean, please don't. But, so that's underwear number 1. Let's see, underwear number 2. Oh, look at the little bow. I haven't had shit with a bow in the center of it since I was a kid or a teenager, but that's cute. That's cute, and I love myself some stripes. I'm just smiling. I mean, I'm getting my favorite colors. I'm getting a little bow, and I think these make great. I mean, these are some nice everyday underwear. Let me show you the seat of this guy. So this one is, it's just, they just took the pattern that the underwear was made out of, and then they stitched it in reverse for the seat. So you do get a little, you know, for those who don't wear panty liners outside of a monthly, you do have a little bit of protection down below, so you're just not walking on, you know, a thin fabric. So that's underwear number 2. Cute. And then here's the final underwear. So this is underwear number 3. And I just like the prints. I like how they kind of play off of each other a little bit. So it's a slight theme without being deliberate. Nice. I'm in that tier that I'm at the larger level, right above before there's a price increase. Now, if you are plus size, I want to say it's $16.99 for the 3 undies, and this is extra large. This is made by Splendies. I want to say sometimes the underwear is made by different manufacturers and brands. I'm fixing to check each one. Yeah, Splendies. Oh, in case you want to know what it's made out of, this is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. And the floral is 87% nylon and 13% spandex for this one. And then this lace one is coming. This lace one is 90% nylon, 10% spandex. And these are made by a company called Miss Vicky's Intimates. And it's saying machine wash cold, no bleach, do not dry clean, tumble dry low. The wash details for this one is the same. And let me see on this last pair, what's the wash instructions. Machine wash cold, tumble dry low. So everybody's cold wash, tumble dry low. Because they just have a little delicate feel and look to them, I'll let them air dry. I've been really getting into that again lately. And that's that. I think that's an awesome little bundle. And it's something you would be getting in every month. That's essential. Most people do wear underwear unless a garment calls for them not to. And lingerie purchasing can be very expensive. Anytime a bra can be almost $100 for one, you know. So to get 3 underwears in at $17 or $15 divided by that 3 is highly affordable, and you would be getting in something cute, something for you, something that's intimate, or yeah, your partner would probably be happy with you getting some new drawers that they can, you know. So there you go. So yeah, it's just a fun experience for everybody. So if you want something like this or want to give it a try at a discount, I will leave my description, my referral link in the first comment, and it's already in the description box below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a blessed day, and see you next month with some Splendies. Peace. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't watch the video and don't even give me one of these, and subscribe, and see you next month. Bye with Splendies.